Alright, let's start with candidate A. You have 2 minutes, you can begin now.
Good morning to the examiners and fellow candidates. In my opinion, the mobile phone has made life easier. Nowadays, there are many examples of brands of the mobile phones such as Apple, Samsung, Sony, and Nokia. Usually, we use mobile phone for communication. By using mobile phone, we can make a call to contact our parents, family, so we can tell them about our situations. We also can make video call to our friends and families which study and work at other places. In the past, we only use mobile phone for communication only. But now most of the people use smartphone because smartphones has many functions. For example, smartphone has camera. Camera can be used to take many photos which are clearer and more beautiful now. Besides, smartphone also has front camera. Nowadays, people like to use front camera to take selfie. For the students and also working people, they use smartphone to check their mails by using smartphone easily. They also use their smartphone to go Facebook, Messenger, Line, and Instagram to see photos and the posts of their idols, friends, and families.
Okay, stop. Okay, let's move over to candidate B. You have 2 minutes. You may start now.
Good morning to examiners and fellow candidates. I'm candidate B. In my opinion, the computer has made life easier. And some examples of computer are Toshiba, Dell, MacBook, Asus, Acer, and so on. In the past, we did not have computers that made our life easier. For example, some of the functions of computer are storing data and filing. Most computers nowadays can have this function to make the company authorities have easier job. Most companies standardize their job and everything by using the same program, and this will make our job easier. In the past, most companies use manpower to write down the things and jot down the things and file them, and this make their life harder. Besides, nowadays there are many assignments that have to be done by using computer. For example, in our school life, college life, and even our university life, many assignments have to be done with computers or by using the program in the computers. And mostly, the teachers and lecturers, they prepare their teaching material by using computer. They can make their teaching more lively and interesting by putting some pictures and videos to make the students have better understanding about the certain subjects. During our free time, we can play some games that are in the computers. As the saying goes by, work hard, play hard.
Okay, stop. Alright, let's listen to candidate C. You have 2 minutes. You may start now.
Good morning to the examiners and fellow candidates. I'm candidate C. In my opinion, the photocopying machine has made life easier. Example of the brands of photocopying machine is Canon. The function of photocopying machine is it can used to photoset the documents, assignments, project, paperwork, photos, and almost everything that is written or drawn on a paper. Nowadays, the functions have also been upgraded. The photocopying machine can use to resize documents, and it can also provide color printing so that we can obtain beautiful photos and pictures. Furthermore, photosetting paper is convenient. This is because the photocopying machine is available in almost every bookshop. Photosetting is also cheap, and photocopying machine bring many benefits to so many people. For instance, the teachers and the students. The teachers can use this advantage to print the exercises for a large number of students in their class. On the other hand, the students can also print their assignments or projects by using the photocopying machine, as some of them do not have their own printer at home. Therefore, they can hand in their homework on time. Besides, the office workers also can use the photocopying machine to print their paperwork and presentations. In the past, they do not have the photocopying machine. It is so difficult that they have to copy out all the notes from the whiteboard, and it is a wastage of time.
Okay, stop. Let's move to candidate D. You have 2 minutes. You may start now.
Good morning to the examiners and fellow candidates. I am candidate D. In my opinion, the electronic calculator has made life easier. There are many brands of electronic calculators such as Casio, Toshiba, and HP. The electronic calculator is an electronic device being used by humans to solve the calculations. It is mostly used by the students in school during their maths lessons and the adults when they need to count a certain amount of money in a business. We can use the electronic calculator to solve calculations on mathematics, chemistry, and biology. Nowadays, we can use an electronic calculator to draw a graph. We can find the values by adding, minus, multiplying, or dividing. In the past, we do not have the electronic calculator. We need to use a pen and a pencil or an abacus to count. It is very hard and complicated to find the total values. Besides, it is easier to make mistakes during the calculations. The calculator benefits us as we can get a more accurate value in a shorter time. And we can solve mathematics easier. And then we will not make the mistakes easily. Furthermore,
Okay, stop.